Hi, this is Randal Perras with Greenplanet Energy Analytics. We're here at Raymond Cardinal's house with his new solar system that we installed. It's a 4-panel, 300 watt per panel system, so 1200 watts total. It stores it in batteries around the back here. If you want to come this way, it's a fairly simple system. Meant to run the basics, so we've got a 24 volt system here with 4 big batteries. They're 550 amp hour batteries. It's got an inverter, 2000 watts, so it should run pretty well anything they need to run. And then we brought the power to the outside by putting a plug over here so that they can easily just plug in whatever they need to plug in. Replace generators for the most part, and usage of gasoline and all the noise that comes with it, and the environmental impact of it. Yeah, great. All the cabin owners just love them. You know, they love the fact that they don't have to listen to a Jenny all the time, you know, to ruin the beautiful, you know, outdoorsness of where we are. So yeah. Not necessarily. I've been up north lots, but never had to do quad rides into the bush to install solar. But it's kind of fun, to be honest. So I don't mind at all. So unless we're still up here doing this in November, then maybe I won't like it so much.
Thanks very much.
Okay, no problem.